I'm teasing my dog. I'm teasing my dog. I was putting his bone. I was putting his bone in there, basically. And so yeah, like that. Right now, it's in there, out there. Trying to get it out. It's hilarious. Oh god. Come on, dude. You can do it. Get it. Yeah. Let's go, Doofy. Let's go. Let's go, Doof. Let's go. Come on, Dookie. You can do this like all the other times. What the heck? Oh, we almost got it right there. Go, go, go. Get your ball. Get the ball. Get the ball. Get the ball. He doesn't know what to do. Come on, dude. Get it, dude. Get it. Get it. Alright, get it. Come on. Go. Oh, you got it out. I meant, oh no. Ah! 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 You hit me! Ah! Oh God! Ah! Oh God! He's coming back. Come here. Come here with that bone. Ah! Get over here. Come here. I just put it in there again. There it goes, there it goes. Anyway, that's teasing my dog. Hopefully he gets it out. Oh, hopefully he gets it out. Okay, and see you guys. By the way, this is Juju Reaper, Taco Co leader, I mean.